I got 3 chicken breasts. Not breast, breast. Cause they tick. Right, Chef Steph? I'm sorry. When I'm sucking.
My name, it's Batty.
Sorry? Yes, everybody, it's your boy, Mr. Vim Vimmer SJ.
It's your girl, Miss Hannah Lee.
And it's your infamous chef, TTK. And this is Cooking and Clashing Season 2. Everyone make some noise!
Woo! And as you can see, we are back. New home, but same vibes.
And of course, we're bringing the beef back into the kitchen. So H. Lee, how's the game work?
We've got some top chefs who are certain this time they've got what it takes to go up against Chef TTK.
Let me just explain one thing before we start. Season 1 was sabotage. This is my time to come back and show you I'm the #1 chef. But please, SJ, talk to them for me.
Each chef will have a certain amount of time to complete their meals. However, there's a slight change compared to last season. They'll be going up against each other in the Lifeline challenges. Now that is what you call sticky.
Sticky indeed. But as you know, we're not here to judge this alone. We've got some special guests to come on the show to judge who really is the top chef.
Let me just rephrase what you just said. I am #1, yeah? This is my time for redemption. I'm here to take the trophy home. But listen, enough of the chat, let the clashing begin.
And clashing. This episode is called Blind Chefing.
Woo!
Chefs are going to be unaware of what they're cooking today. They don't know the recipe, they don't know the method, they know nothing. But we have a twist. Chefs must use every single ingredient today. They're not leaving nothing out. So without further ado, let's introduce our guest chef. Introducing Pretty Cuisine. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling
ready. You look ready. You look prepared.
Yeah.
I've got faith in you. Okay, we need to figure out where SJ is.
I'm always on set. Don't worry about me. It's your boy, Mr. Vim Vimmer SJ. Everyone make some noise. Come on. And it's only right that I have the pleasure of introducing this beautiful panel of guests. I'm gonna start first with the one, the only, the beautiful, the sensational, and boy, when you hear her sing, you're gonna go to sleep because it's sensational. Amba Jae, everyone make noise for Amba Jae, come on. Yes. Second, I call her Phoenix from X-Men because when she's red hot, she does her thing. Lipstick on point, lipstick brand on point as well. We're gonna dig into that later. Everyone make noise for Rebekah, come on. Last, certainly not least, this guy is, if I'm Vim, he's Vimmer. Standard procedures, yeah? Putting everyone on the map in his ends, always bringing content online. It's the one and only Cory. Everyone make noise for Cory, man. Lovely to have you guys on board. Fantastic. We got a late comer. Don't worry, he's gonna be put into tension with SJ. Don't worry, I'm gonna deal with him later. But we can't. I'm not chefing.
We can't.
I'm not chefing. Are you chefing?
I'm not chefing.
All right, so you know what we have to do. Bring in the one, the only Chef TTK. Everyone make some noise for Chef TTK. How you feeling, big man?
Keep it going.
How you feeling? He's ready. How am I feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling kind of sharp.
I see him. We see him. TT, lovely to have you again.
Lovely to see you, bro.
Come on, man.
Give me a hug.
No.
Corona.
The vibe. All right. With that being said, we're gonna go straight into it.
We are.
3, 2, 1. Let the clashing begin. Let's go. Let's go.
I see rice, curry powder. Is there any specific curry powder? Don't know. Grab masala, grab turmeric, some thyme for coriander, some onion, cinnamon,
What you
garlic.
thinking?
I'm thinking, what am I using this
Just
for?
based on this, the ingredients.
I can't tell you that. It's definitely a curry. I can't
Do
tell
you
you
feel like
that.
it's a curry?
Me personally, I make peanut
cool.
soup.
But I'm just looking at that. What kind of curry is this?
Can't
Because
confirm.
we can go to the Caribbean.
And it doesn't matter the quantity.
Or we can go to India.
that I use in it.
What are you
We
thinking?
should go to the Caribbean. I've got gram masala. This ain't
Okay.
Caribbean.
as long as I use it.
Take it, but I have to use it. All of it. Alright, first thing I'm gonna do, I can see chicken. What do you do when you see chicken?
Me? I call my mother. Mother, I cannot cook it.
That's not correct. You clean it. I got 3 chicken breast moment.
Not breast.
Breast. Cause they're thick. Breast, cause it's thick. I'm just gonna clean it. Add some lemon to that. I'm just gonna use this knife and cut through. Look how, ooh, 1 slice.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Like
Sharp.
Like the trim. Ooh, don't hurt yourself, bro. Too late. Can I get a plaster?
How long
That'll
do
do.
we normally do that for?
Roughly, depends. I'm not gonna use it right now, so I'm gonna prepare my house, let that soak, let the impurities release.
Okay.
You understand? And next thing you do, I'm going to wash my rice.
Essential. Some people don't wash their rice.
Some people don't wash it because that starch.
Yeah, I don't eat
So I
rice.
levitate the starch.
While TT gets on with his dish over there, let's go over to Stephanie, the wonderful Stephanie. How you feeling? How you getting on?
I'm gonna just squeeze the cookies by the sink. Now I'm just gonna. Should have started with something else, to be honest. But
Don't do that, because I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Leave Stephanie alone.
I'm just gonna.
Leave Stephanie alone.
Stephanie, I do apologize for the
Yeah,
No worries.
interrupting. Let's see you.
see, I'm just
Talk
gonna
about
pick me
sabotaging
up.
first season. Look at him.
Stephanie, is there like any ingredient on this menu that you're like, what am I gonna use?
The tomato soup and the cinnamon. I don't really go on with that.
What would you do with cinnamon in this whole dish?
Are you asking me, fam? I don't even like cinnamon, fam.
Listen, I'm not the person.
It's even a cinnamon stick.
Yeah. Brother, I don't even eat that.
Remember, you gotta use every single ingredient.
Everyone make noise of Miss Amba Jae.
Woo!
Miss Amba Jae, Miss Amba Jae. How you feeling today?
Good, I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Right, Chef Steph? I'm sorry.
When I'm
So Amber, you're a singer.
I am, yeah.
How long have you been doing that for?
Seriously for about 1.5 years. Yeah, I've always sung, but I've taken it seriously for the past year.
Love that. And I've heard you singing, so I know you're great. But what really like sets you apart in the industry?
I feel like, obviously at the moment with UK R&B, it's slowly starting to pick up, but I kind of want to make it a thing more. So yeah, like I obviously sing, I write my own music as well.
I can't even lie, your EP Mixed Emotions, yeah. Let me chat about it quickly. Hit Uncle SJ out for a minute. You lot go and download that, stream that, because when I tell you the emotions you feel, it's not a joke, it's actually mixed emotions. How did you feel when writing all those songs, like just creating that whole project?
My name, it's Batty.
It was good. Each song has a meaning, so yeah, I enjoyed it.
Everyone give it up for Amba Jae. Everyone give it up for Amba Jae. You're gonna make me cry on set and that. You're gonna make me cry on set. Stephanie's just beating up the chicken like, oh, whacking it. Yeah. Did you see the pat she gave us the beat? She said, yeah. Slap that. Huh? Some salt. Charlie, that's for you to pattern. This is your kitchen. I am not your assistant. But we're gonna get onto the lovely Rebekah. Everyone make noise for Rebekah. Yes. How you feeling today, miss?
I'm feeling merry. How you feeling?
Oh, she knows what I'm feeling. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling nice, I'm feeling nice. Thank you for coming on. Lovely to see you, lovely to see you. Explain your journey.
Yeah, I started my own business in lip gloss.
Yeah.
And I'm real glad with that.
Yeah. What makes your lip gloss so different to others?
Pigment.
Wait.
Yeah, we've got a lot of colour in there.
Description.
Texture.
Yeah.
Lips are soft.
Yeah.
5 ever.
Yeah. Keep going.
And me.
Ooh. See?
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, I can't.
They're all nude, so you know.
I can't.
Nudes.
Lip gloss.
Oh. Hey, everyone make noise for Miss Rebekah. Lovely. Alright, listen.
You just move, man.
No, I'm not moving.
Wasting time.
I'm not moving. Sabotage. But it's only right. No. Let's make noise for Cory.
Yeah.
Right? Let's make noise for Cory. Big man, how you feeling?
I'm good, man. I'm good. How are you?
Hey.
Cory, I have a serious question for you.
Go on.
Because when I watch your YouTube videos and you just describe the food, I really believe you can cook.
I can
Deep down. How would you really rate your cooking skills?
probably like, on a good day, 8 out of 10.
Okay.
On a normal day, probably like 4. You know what I'm saying? I balance it out.
So the day
Balance
you
it
made
out.
the shark, it was a 4, 8?
My bedroom said it tastes nice, you know, so it was a 10 that day. But I personally wouldn't have had it, but he liked it and enjoyed it, you know.
Obviously, you do quite a lot of content on your YouTube, but what really sets you apart from other content creators?
To be honest, I feel like just being myself, being natural, just being literally me. Like if I was to play a character or something, I won't be me, you know what I'm saying? But if I'm being me, then people will enjoy it, man.
I hear that, but one, you're not a better chef than me. I cook that shot to perfection. I cook that shot like it's tilapia. You understand? Yeah? If I cook that shot, everyone's eating it.
We can make it happen, you know?
Huh?
When's the last time you made fish, bro?
It doesn't matter when the last time I made fish, just know I can make fish.
When's the last time you made food?
Don't do that on camera.
I got the link for sharks, you know.
Alright, cool. So you heard it first
I got the
on
link for
Cooking and
sharks.
Clashing. SJ and Cory will be
Yeah.
going up against them to make a
Sharks.
shark. I've got a question because, tell me if I'm wrong, you're all Jamaican. You've
Yeah.
all got Jamaican heritage.
This
Yeah,
has never
Jamaican,
happened
still.
before on set.
How do you decide which yard shop to go to?
You know what it is? You always have your specific yard shop that you're gonna go to. Then you just don't change it. You just you don't change your barber.
I think it depends. Like, if someone says, yeah, this one,
Yeah, recommendations.
yeah, recommendations, then just go for it.
I don't eat from no one's hand. That's how we're raised. So unless someone tells me to that I trust,
We're not going there.
we're not going there.
Amba, trust me?
Yeah.
Cory, trust me.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the chicken that's cooking.
Yeah, that nigga's even bad. Alright, cool, but boy, I can't lie, this latecomer's gonna get beaten for me when I'm done. I'm turning off. That all being said, guests, get involved, drink out the punch. It's got Savannah's punchline, you know. Let us know. I'll be back to take a score out of 5. So back it, let your taste buds hit that. You get me? Definitely chat. When did you start falling in love with cooking?
So when I was younger, I had a disabled auntie. She used to make me do bulk, like cook for her in bulk.
Okay.
I had to like go to the kitchen, cut the stuff she tells me to cut, then bring it to her room for her to check it, because she was bedbound. As a treat, she didn't like me buying like food outside. So as a treat, she would like let me, say if I want to eat ribs or something, she would just like get her carer to get the ingredients for me, and I'd just make it, and it gave me like creative freedom.
So the name Pretty Cuisine, I've seen your food, it is very pretty. But how did you come up with that?
I was literally laying in bed. I was like, okay, what can I say is me? Sorry, this knife is so blunt.
You know what? Because I'm such a nice guy.
Wow.
Thank you.
Whatever, get the heck out of here, you pussy boy.
I was thinking, okay, what reflects me? What can I, you know, make it about me? Like, I like all things pretty. My favorite color is pink, like pretty, it just stuck in my head.
Ta-da!
Yeah, the Pretty Cuisine.
Everyone make some noise for Stephanie, man. Pretty Cuisine. Pretty with a pink. You know. And only right, Mr. TTK, chat to us, fam.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm just chopping up some garlic.
I'm thinking that the chefs will get into a little Lifeline thing, you get me?
Yeah.
What you
Give me
feeling?
a laugh, give me a laugh, give me a laugh.
Lifeline. Let's see what they're about.
Yeah, 100%.
Miss H. Lee, chat to them.
We're gonna ask you one general knowledge question. Whoever answers first gets to win extra time. So the question is, what is the mix between a blackberry and a raspberry?
You're not getting that.
What's the mix?
A blueberry, no. A black, no.
What's the mix between a
Blackberry
blackberry
and
Between
a
a
raspberry.
blackberry and a raspberry.
What's that question? What's the mix? What do you mean, what's the mix? DJ, what's the mix? Like,
What is
what's the mix? Like, what do you mean, it's the mix?
the fruit mix? What fruit?
Oh, blackberry and blueberry.
Blackberry and raspberry.
Blueberry.
Incorrect. Stephanie?
A blackberry and a raspberry.
Yeah, this is one of SJ specials.
A blackberry and a raspberry.
Guess, do you know? Cory, I feel like you got this question. You're very knowledgeable.
Yeah, I was
when it comes to
thinking
foods.
Vimto or something. Vimto.
You said Victor?
Yeah.
You lot are legendary.
You said Vince?
Am I not right?
Wait.
I thought about it for like 3 minutes. I'm like, oh, Steve, if you put them two together, put a bit of water in it. It's
Vimto.
Vimto, bro.
Vinto, you might as well say Robinson.
That's a Ribena still.
Do you lot want the answer?
Give them the
Yeah,
answer.
definitely.
It's actually a tayberry.
No, what's a tayberry? What's a tayberry? Google
No
it.
one has had a
Hannah, have
tayberry.
you ever had the
They're
tayberry?
delicious.
Teddy has definitely not had a tayberry.
Listen, I've had a lot of things in my life.
You've never had it though.
It doesn't matter if I had it. I had the knowledge to ask you the question, and you got it wrong. But it wasn't even your question. It's alright. So the chefs don't get additional minutes. It is what it is. 20 minutes remaining.
20
Both
minutes
of you.
remaining. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get into the judging of the rum punch. Have you all tasted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up to
Savannah's
Savannah.
know the vibes. We're judging this out of 5.
Yep, as you can see. Scorecards ready for me.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
5, 4,
4,
3, 2, 1. Reveal. Alright.
Rebecca,
You know.
3. Give me your thoughts.
I honestly do love it. I just saw coconut and ginger, and I panicked a bit because I don't like ginger.
Okay.
Is it a proper yardie drink then? Because you lot.
Yeah, no, Jamaica's bang ginger.
Bang ginger.
I love ginger. Ginger beer is my favourite thing, innit? My favourite drink. Still.
Ginger,
Yeah.
ginger.
But it makes me feel like I'm on a beach somewhere.
That's where I want to be right now.
Picnic. Grass settings, you know what I'm saying? So I like
Man
it. Big
said
up
on the
Savannah.
beach somewhere.
You know what I'm saying? Big
Grass
up Savannah.
settings.
Yeah,
Now, big up
straight.
Savannah.
Straight, Ruba. Big up Savannah, Ruba.
But let us know. Why for?
I loved it as well, and you can taste the rum.
Is it more of an aftertaste?
You know what it is? The ginger gives you that in your throat.
Yeah, it's
But
a
I
strong
like
taste.
that. I feel like a man when I drink ginger. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, trust me. Big up Savannah, man.
Yeah, big up
Savannah
Savannah.
for sponsoring this episode as well.
Big up Savannah's punchline all the time, man. Alright, we're gonna go back to the chefs and see how they're getting on, because boy, I can't lie, this is serious stuff, innit?
Chef TTK, you're getting into the stirring of your chicken.
Yeah, right now I'm just kind of searing off the chicken.
I have got a question though.
Yeah.
The aim of the game is to use every single ingredient. I can see you've used this
Am I
one.
finished? Am I finished?
I'm just saying.
Aggression.
I'm just saying. You know what I mean? I'm just saying.
Should I serve the plate now?
I mean, I'm just saying.
Am I finished?
Just make sure we use every
Don't
single.
worry, I got you.
You got this.
TT, I'm gonna ask very politely. That chicken that's like alcohol.
No, it's not cooked yet. That's why.
Huh?
It's not actually cooked through yet.
Salmonella.
I've only seen it through.
Salmonella. You're trying to kill me on set.
SJ, I've got a suggestion. Could we judge it blindly? Like, you know how they're doing it blind? Can we judge it like, so we don't know whose plate is whose?
That is a good idea.
And then
Mad.
we just judge plate 1, plate 2.
That's a lot of pressure on.
Are we gonna get blindfolded? Get someone's wig.
We'll just close our eyes.
Do you
We
hear
can
him?
trust us.
To get someone's wig.
You
That
know what? That's a
suggestion.
great suggestion. Can we give a round of applause for Rebekah, please?
A&B, obviously, yeah. Obviously, I heard you singing, innit? Got EP out and that. So obviously, I see some things that's been happening these days. I don't know if SJ's seen it, but you know when people say that, raw, if I give you 3 words like fish,
Yeah,
tacos, bread,
right.
you think you can like do a little melody incorporate those words?
Oh my days.
I think you should.
It's a bit hard, guys.
You need a beat.
You need a beat.
Should we dance?
Stop that right now! Oh, you know, it's like a slow thing.
What dance should we do?
Nah, the beat is
Well, wrong, yeah? Oh, wrong one. Which one?
just cook the food, big man.
How about instead I can do maybe something for my EP?
Fair enough.
Yeah,
So we're gonna get an exclusive. Which one is it gonna be?
The chorus to overdose.
We're ready when you are. I'm just gonna be here in my emotion, believe me. I'm in my emotion.
No matter what you do, you can feel you're overdosing. I'm just like you feel it's more than feels you're overdosing. Can't help it when you're with me, you look like you're overdosing on me.
Give it up for everything, man. Wait. I saw. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
We can do better.
Yeah.
We can do better.
Alright, slap it again.
Okay, ready? It don't matter what you
I need a bit.
You can feel your
Alright.
overdosing. I'm just like you feel this morning.
Yeah, they're trying. Oh, they're trying. They're just sweet. They're attempting to sweet. They're attempting to sweet. Oh, bless them.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
My student that was late to school today has finally arrived. His name It's Cory. Everyone make noise for Cory. Chat to us, bro. Tell us about yourself. Give a little 30 seconds about yourself, man.
Yeah. So I'm Cory, from South London, 25. I run a sustainable clothing brand, which is all about kind of doing the clothing thing properly and trying to introduce sustainability and style into kind of our markets. But that's a bit about what I do. I'm gonna let these get back to the cooking.
No. You're in detention. My focus is on you.
I'm ready, let's go.
I'm on you. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the...
All of that said, Mr. Moyenne. Did I pronounce it correctly? Mr. Moyenne, yeah? Tell everyone what that means and what it means to you.
So Moyenne is French in average. So what we've done is we've used it as kind of a juxtaposition because it's all about individuality and being unique and being yourself.
Let's give it up for Cory, man. He's
Great.
a man of punchline. But while he does that, we're gonna get into the second lifeline.
Are you not feeling ready for another one? No one's ready today. Are you not feeling ready for another
yes,
lifeline?
sorry.
Okay. This one's an activity. First one to eat first one to eat quarter of a lemon with.
Where's the lemon?
Right here, I've got them chopped up nicely for you, darling.
Hey, tell me, hey, bro.
Right, no, go.
I need to see clean.
She's on smoke.
Wow.
Where? Jack eat the skin.
Jesus! Why you make the lemon like that,
You done that, bro.
So Chef TTK has an additional 2.5 minutes added onto his overall time. Stephanie got 5 minutes, TTK got 7.5 minutes.
Can't lie, I've got to use my own stuff.
I'm plating up now.
You get me? Alright, cool, he's brought out the weapons. Massive brought out his own arsenal. You're gonna do
You've done everything. Am I right? Am I wrong?
Hey,
Done everything. I just chucked the cinnamon in there for a few minutes.
One
to
second.
Absorb some of the flavour.
1 second. Leave
And
that
yeah, I'm
there.
just gonna plate up now.
Okay.
Then we're done.
I need to just draw out TTK right now.
What's going on?
TT was not, when he said he's here for redemption, yeah, he was not joking. I'm going to pick up TT's bag of weapons.
Bag?
Tell me what?
Bag?
What's this? What, it's not, I know it's not a bag, box of weapons. 1 second. This
Can he even get it up?
It's a deadlift king. It's a deadlift.
Whoa.
Look at this. Oh man.
Is that what you brought here today?
I take everywhere, bro. Traveling kit.
Is this unnecessary?
Careful though, you're back.
Man's got kebab sticks.
I want to know where that cinnamon's gone from both the chefs.
That's a good question.
TK, where's the cinnamon gone?
Okay.
Oh, it's there.
It's a stick, bro.
The cinnamon stick. Okay. Steph?
I used it in here, but I took it out because I let it absorb the flavours and then I took it out.
I like the way she said absorb. You didn't say that. You just showed me some stick.
It's not show me.
But I like the way she said absorb though.
Alright, what do you want me to say?
I don't know, but she said absorb.
What I done was I used the cinnamon stick to infuse within the curry.
You know when you lot was younger, you have to like eat first then drink a drink?
Absolutely.
Facts. Facts.
I thought it was just a Jamaican thing.
Don't do that.
No,
Don't do that.
no, it
Don't do that. Don't do
I
that.
thought it was.
Oh, it's just a Jamaican thing.
I thought it was just a Jamaican thing. You can have no juice.
We're not doing this again in season 2, yeah? I'm not gonna get we're not having this Jamaican beef.
I finally got an all Jamaican panel and I'm just so happy. I can't lie.
Alright, cool. So, Stephanie, you got 1 minute left.
Hold on.
So, but look,
they're ready.
but Stephanie's pattern.
She don't even need it. She's ready.
Pattern.
PTK, chef, how do you make sticky rice?
Sticky rice.
Yeah.
You know how you make normal rice?
Yeah.
So you use 1-to-1, but you steam it. So you don't let the water cook it, you let the steam cook it. And that makes it sticky. And then when you actually take out your rice, you use a fork. And that makes it come together instead of using a spoon that just scoops it out.
You might actually know
And
what
that
you're
is
doing.
why TTK is our chef.
Yeah.
I can't
Stephanie,
lie though, bro.
Yes.
10. Is there any point in counting?
No.
Stephanie's done 1 touch.
Oh, you done?
I can't lie, you lot, please do not look at up here right now.
Close my eyes now.
Close your eyes, just bow your heads. Say a prayer to the Lord. TT got 10,
I heard you.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. We're gonna play up the food. The guests are gonna get into it. And we're gonna see who really won today's battle.
Wait, pause this whole show. You at home, you think you've got what it takes to come against me, Chef TTK, in this kitchen? Make sure you comment below and I'll personally make sure someone in the team gets back to you. Now follow me back into this kitchen and watch me win.
Yes, we've got chef number 2's meal in front of you. You have no idea who's done it. You don't know what's in front of you. It's fair enough to say, innit? You're gonna have to open your eyes to dig in, but dig in now.
Okay.
Dig in now.
What? So dig in and still be closed?
Look at what you got. Look at what you got, because you get me. You need to be judging on presentation.
I want to pull out my phone and take a picture.
Portion. You get me? Do all of that. Taste, all of that.
That's it, as SJ said, presentation, portion, and taste.
Cory, shovel. He's got shovel mode.
I like the silence though, it means a lot.
I got my fork in my hand. I think I might have to take one of you lot's plates. Like,
Can't lie, I'll finish this right now. You mentioned finish this in 10 seconds, it'll be done.
How you feeling about it? How you feeling about the taste and everything? Chat to us, Cory. What are you thinking?
Mad.
Mad?
Exotic.
I do like the taste of the chicken. I maybe would have liked it a little bit more tender, but it's a quality meal.
What, are you paying big bucks for that?
For this,
Set a price on it.
10 to 15.
Yeah, solid. You're making good money off that. Ladies, how you feeling about it?
It's really nice. The flavours are
Bang.
good.
Okay. Gather your thoughts, keep it in your brains, because we're going to be dishing up scores soon.
Can we have 2 minutes?
Nah. We're gonna bring, and now I need you to stop eating. Bow your heads, close your eyes. We're now going to bring in chef number 1's meal in. Okay. Open your eyes.
Oh, that's cute.
Get me.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
I call this one, the portion is nice. I like this portion personally. It reminds me of my school days. When my mum didn't want me to eat off her plate.
Rebekah, what are you thinking about the presentation?
I think it's so cute, little sprinkles. I'm not sure what it is, but it's sprinkles.
It's nice. This one's more like, I don't know if it's a word, but like more stew in there.
Oh,
I think.
okay.
Yeah.
Stew,
Yeah.
This one here, it's crazy.
Crazy.
This one here is crazy.
That's coming from Chef Cory, you know.
Yeah, this one's get crazy.
With the shark tail himself, yeah? I'm hungry.
I'm jealous. You jealous?
I didn't feed us, man. Hell, man. Starving out here. Alright, guess. Gonna ask you to stop. Let's give the chef a round of applause. We're now gonna get the chefs in, get the guests to score them up.
Yeah.
And it's gonna get real. All right. Stephanie, how you feeling today? How did you feel we went today?
I feel like this was, it threw me out of my comfort zone. I don't really, it's Indian cuisine from the gram masala and all of that. So I knew, it's gonna be a bit challenging, but
You've done your thing. You've definitely done your thing.
TT, how you feel you did with everything then?
It was hard, I won't lie to you. I've never been in India in my life, innit? And I normally avoided Indian because Indian can be complicated, so many spices and whatnot. And I saw tomato soup, I was just like, yo, this is canned tomato. Do you know what I mean? It wasn't even like fresh tomato, it was canned tomato soup. That's when they eat that from the tin, like warm in America, put dip bread. I was just like, bro, what do I do with this? But yeah, I was out of my comfort zone. But yeah, I think I just tried my hardest.
You held your own. It's good. Okay, so guess, are you feeling ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready still.
The flat plate, shall we say?
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we're judging first. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to grab your score. I'm gonna count down from 5 as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reveal your score.
Okay.
So that's 15 overall, round of applause. So 15, that's 15 out of 20 there. 15 out of 20.
Cory, what score did you give?
I gave it 3.
3. Why 3?
Yeah. Because this one here was crazy. No, this one was mad. This one was mad, but this one was madder. No, this thing was mad.
Just off the Richter scale.
Yeah, this one was mad still.
Do you know what? So basically, if you didn't have that, that would have got a high score.
Yeah, this would have got 4 by itself. Do you know what I'm saying? But I had this and I was like, huh? Hold on. Did you get it? Yeah, man, literally.
Amber, what score did you give?
I gave it 5.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Good score. Let us
Do you know
why.
what? I feel like this gave me more like Caribbean vibes. That's why I liked it a bit more. So yeah.
I'm not cooking Caribbean.
We're not cooking.
I know.
They're coming back with a vengeance. You get me?
I know.
Caribbean could be.
Okay.
All being said. All right, so now, get your score for the bowl. Hey, it's food. I'm gonna count you in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. 18 out of 20. With that being said, again, TTK has won this episode. Right. Wow. Now that is a high score.
That is a high score.
I can't lie, Stephanie, you came and done your thing.
You did.
No, you definitely
In
did.
terms of what I've seen over the past season and a half, yours is up there, top 3, easy. So I think that itself deserves a round of applause. That's from me to you. Your presentation, your timing, the way you conducted yourself in the kitchen, just it was like a silent assassin. I'm here to kill. Big up this skin, man. Round of applause again, man. Stephanie, where can everyone find you, man? Where can everyone find Pretty Cuisine?
On the IG.
On the IG, what's the app?
The Pretty Cuisine.
Well, yo, every girl in the middle, every girl in the middle. You know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. Mr. TTK, chat to us, man. How you feeling about this win?
Yeah, can't lie. I thought I lost, I'll be honest, because, you know, blind chefing that's where I struggle kind of, I mean, to get creative and that, but yeah, thank you, I tried, I came back, serious. Redemption, innit?
Redemption.
Season of redemption, but yeah, I'm happy with it, man. I'm happy that you guys enjoyed it. You can finish it if you want, you know what I'm saying?
Guests, let's give it up for the guests, man. Thank you for coming on. We're gonna start with Cory, man. Let us know where they can find you, bro.
Yeah, Cory outside me, boy. You know the vibes, man. That's me.
Love it.
Come on, man.
Rebekah, where can we find you at, honey?
Instagram inthenewed.ldn and then website www.inthenewedlondon.com.
Boy, plugging that business. We see you, B.
Amba, where can we hear your beautiful voice?
My EP is out. It's called Mixed Emotions. And my IG is Amba Jae.
Make sure you listen to that mix at night time. Serious. You get emotion.
And Cory, if we want to look swagged up, where can we go?
I look after you, man. Instagram is Moyenne, MOYENNE.co.uk. Website, same thing. So yeah, give it a little look. Give me the feedback if you want it.
Where do we get the discount code?
so with the discount, you know, just DM me.
Started. The problem has started.
Yeah, man, big up Cory all the time. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification button as well.
Sure.
And we want to hear what you thought about these dishes today.
Yes.
Who should have really won if you feel like TT should not have won? But you know, I'm not here to make any assumptions or judgments. But I've been your boy, Mr. Vim SJ.
And I have been Miss Hannah Lee.
And this has been Cooking and Clashing. We're gone in a bit. One.
Peace.
Boom.
Boom.
Mr. Flavor himself. Chat to me, my brother. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Yeah?
I'm feeling steady.
Yeah?
And I'm feeling ready.
Where do you see yourself going in terms of the whole dancing?
Well, I'm gonna be touring with Beyonce.
Jeez!
Girl.
Good, better, best. May I never rest. Amen. Until my good is better and my better is best.
Amen.
You like that one, innit?
I'm gonna bring a dish that you lot probably never experienced before, so I'm gonna bring you lot a new experience.
Oh, sounds orgasmic.
Hey, we are going to eat today. What do you need? What do you need? What beat? What beat?
Any type of beat, Afrobeats beat.
I got the bass.
Are you sure you got?
No.
Cooking and classic. There's not to be dancing and classic.